Well, hi everybody, Bob Gower of bobcanhelp.com, and in this series of videos we're talking about, again, the information structure as it flows through your organization, and that breaks down into themes, epics, stories, and tasks. Today I want to talk to you about stories. In other videos we talk about themes, epics, and tasks. You can see here in the schematic where the story fits in sort of in the level of granularity as it moves through your organization. It's the third level, the third layer. The story the story is going to have the audience for the story is the product team and the development team. Now, this is how the information gets translated from management to the developers. Like, this is what we're going to work on next. This is what you need to be developing. It's very tactical. It's very immediate. It's focused very immediately. And often the development team and the product team write these things together. They're sort of in concert. Like, this is what we're trying to accomplish. How does it make sense to break it up into functionality that a user is going to notice? Again, a story needs to be functionality that a user would notice. We talk about a vertical slice through your application rather than a horizontal slice. So rather than add something to the database, it's actually add a field to a form. So it's something that the user would see. It may include adding something to the database, but it's a piece of functionality that the user would actually notice. They may not find it valuable by itself, but they would actually notice it. The intended outcome of a story is to feed into an immediate work plan, and the format we use, obviously, is the story format. Now, let's see how this breaks down into a story. The story here would be, excuse me, I gotta get close to the monitor to read this, but as an email marketer, I want to place a form on my site that collects name, company, and contact information so I can add this information to my leads database. Now, this is a little more specific than you might find in an epic, and actually this might not be specific enough for a story. I could see that developers might want to break this into 3 or 4 stories. Were they going to actually tackle this? But as a product owner, that's not really my call. I give them this and I say, well, how are we doing here? And then have them develop it. So again, that's the story format. In our next video, we're going to talk about tasks. My name again is Bob Gower of bobcanhelp.com. Please do leave some comments on my website at bobcanhelp.com, or just shoot me an email. Let me know how I can help. Thanks so much.